It all starts with premium Atlantic salmon sourced from farms in both Canada and Chile. I prefer these sources as they offer slightly lower oil content than other sources. The result is a smooth, buttery texture and a clean finish. Each fillet is trimmed by hand. The belly and fins are removed and inspected for any imperfections. The cure process is truly what makes our smoked salmon European style. We use the French method of laying spices on each fillet in addition to the curing salts. After the fillets are washed by hand, they move to the smoker where they are dried to create a beautiful pellicle. Then they are cold smoked for 16 to 20 hours with a blend of hardwoods and fruitwoods from our home in the Pacific Northwest. This combination of wood produces complex layers of flavor for your palate. Once out of the smoker, each fillet is skinned, then the back fat is removed with a butchering knife. The bloodline removed with a V-shaped cutting tool. Next, they are inspected for any remaining pin bones, then off to the slicer before being sealed and ready to ship to you. Not more expensive, just more fish. Bon appétit!